Alright guys, welcome to the video, welcome to my channel. This time I'm doing something different. I've been super busy, so I wanted to do something fun. If you've seen the thumbnail, you know what I'm building here, guys. It's going to be a ski bike. A couple of years ago I seen some videos and I dreamt of doing that. So yeah, I've been collecting parts, found some cheap stuff, cheap skis, cheap bike. Bought some AliExpress shock, and we'll see what happens, guys. Got some paint, got some motivation. Let's go, guys. Alright guys, first I'm going to mock it up. I've been collecting some parts for 2 years, so I'm not sure what the hell I got or what fits what. I got some 104 centimeter skis. They're actually ski boards, I'm not sure. They looked cool, were cheap, so I'm using those. I got a 20-inch full suspension kids bike. I think it should work, but this should be a 29-inch shock. So yeah guys, just let's go. Alright guys, I had some trouble with the crankset. It was super stuck, so but I don't need it anymore, so I destroyed it. I'm liking how it looks. It works pretty good. The suspension is better than I thought for this cheap stuff. That canister is for show, so I'm gonna chop it off and flip the shock around. It's a little bit stiff in the back. I am going to redesign the rear subframe. What do you call this? To make it a little bit longer for the ski. And the front, I want the head tube to tilt back a little bit. I want it more relaxed because I want it more like a downhill bike. A downhill bike is averaging around 68 degrees, so that's what I'm aiming for. The front part of the bike is great. doesn't need any modifications, just some paint. I am going to take some brackets off and clean it up a little bit for paint. So yeah guys, on to the next thing. Guys, took the container off, just chopped it off, no big deal. I'm trying to figure out how to modify this rear part of the frame here, because I want the head tube angle back, so I need to do it lower. And this shock is 265 mil long, so it's the size of a downhill shock. So if it sucks, I can always change it out later, but I don't want to spend any more money than I already did. So yeah, I'm fighting with ideas over here, so let's go. This mock-up, this is what I like, 68, so looks good. It is a bit low, so I'm going to focus on making mounts for the skis to the bike itself, and I want to raise them up as high as I can, because with the travel I have, I don't want it bottoming out. And yeah, I'm liking the setup right now, so let's go. Alright, so I've been playing around for about an hour with some ideas, and these are gonna be the ski mounts. It's really hard to film a creative process, because to be honest, I'm not an engineer. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just a guy with an idea, so yeah, I'm just making it up as I go. So let me just show you what it's going to be. Alright guys, here I have the ski. This is my idea. These are going to be mounted like so. I'm going to be welding them, of course. This guy is on top. This guy is gonna sit here. I bought some rubbers from AliExpress, because they were the right size. I have a boost front fork, so the shaft size is 50 mil, same as the rubbers. I don't want to wear out the rubber, so I'm going to be welding in a nice washer, like so. I have another one like so. Like this. Going to be standing on top. I'm going to be using these to triangulate and take the load, and then I'm going to be making some diagonally. So yeah guys, hopefully this works. Pretty confident it will. It will be super strong. So I will be bombing a hill with these these things I've built. So let's go. Rose, it's looking good. It's finished. I'm confident it's strong enough to hold me bombing a hill, so I just have to make another one. So let's go. I'm marking up the Skibike now. Brakes are done. Came out great. The head tube angle is absolutely awesome. Now I'm going to be building a rear swing arm, so not sure what I'll do there, but it needs to be very strong. So. Guys, subframe is done, swing arm, whatever, looks really good. Not my best welds, but yeah, I'm not a welder, guys. So last thing to build is a way to mount pedals here. So not sure how to do it, but I did buy 2 taps. These are 9/16, so, and I got a left hand and a right hand thread, so I should be able to build something. Let's go. Alright bros, rear swing arm is done. I think it's plenty strong, bros. You can let's check the pedals. Oh yeah. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Alright bros, it looks so cool. I'm gonna do a suspension test now. I'm just curious. Bros, there's one last thing I need to build. I need to create a way for the ski when I'm in the air, or taking a big ass jump. I need to make sure the skis stay under the bike and not flop around. So I have some springs and I'm trying to build something on here to make sure that doesn't happen. So that's the next thing. Alright guys, all the fab work is done. Looks really awesome. As you see, the size is comparable to my 27.5 mountain bike over there. even though I used only a 20-inch frame. Yeah guys, I'm really happy. Now the next thing to do is paint. So let's go. Alright bros, I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to be painting this guy, so let's go. Guys, everything is prepped out for primer, so that's what I'll do next. Alright guys, it's time for the first coat. It's fluor white. Hopefully it's gonna look cool. I'm not sure, you know, I have no idea what I'm doing guys. So you've already seen the thumbnail, so I don't even know what the end result will be, so but I'm trying to make something cool, so let's go. was ready for some paint experiments, guys. I'm trying to create a crackle effect with the neon green, and but I want metallic in there, so I took the paint out of this can. In here I'm going to mix up some holographic metallic particles in there, some nail stuff, guys, and if I don't have enough I might mix in some of this, so let's go. So I'm going to do a crackle effect. And to do that I'm going to be spreading some paint here on the table. Oh man, it looks cool. Spreading some paint on this table, and then I'm going to be using this cling film to transfer it to the frame. I'm going to link a video from a guy from Germany that does this stuff for a living, and he's really good at it, so you can learn from him, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Hopefully it works out, guys. Oh man, scary. I might have used too much paint, I'm not sure, but I'll see. Alright, looks pretty cool. Before putting clear coat on, I did print out some decals and, on some printable vinyl, so let's go. So I prepped out the skis for paint, so they are next. Alright, frame is done, guys. Skis are primered. I have no idea what I'm doing design wise. I do have some decals for it, just my logo and name. And the rest I'm just gonna wing it, guys, so let's go. Painting is all done. Super happy with the result. I did it's the crackle effect, but that didn't happen. I'm a noob, guys. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I think it looks cool. All the other parts are ready. the ski mounts, I did fill the void inside with some silicone so they are stronger now. And I did buy an upgrade rear shock, guys, from Skibike. So hopefully that works out. Let's assemble this guy. Bros, it's done. I'm so happy with the result, guys. Oh, I didn't expect it to turn out this good. I'm so happy. I have never done anything like this. I'm not a frame builder. You know, the paint and the design, it's all just, spur of the moment and no planning, just, some Chinese parts. Yeah, guys, some secondhand stuff. If I can build it, you can, guys. If you wait for the skills to do something, you will never do it. Just start it. You'll learn along the way, and don't give up, guys. I hope you enjoyed this super long video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next one. end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I inspire you. I hope you build one for yourself. I hope you get the skills to do it. I hope you don't give up. I hope you build one and bomb a hill with it. Guys, this thing is amazing. I'm gonna put some specs up after this, weight, how much money I put into it, and it's, guys, you'll be surprised. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye.